Friends, here we are talking about different cases to work with remote servers or manage nodes using Ansible in your real time. See, now we are good with how to execute Ansible ad hoc commands and playbooks with and without root privileges. And also we know how to execute with username and password and using keys. But once again, I want to repeat this concept. See, first of all, there are two ways to work with remote servers or manage nodes using your Ansible. They are, first one is with password authentication, means by using some user ID and password. And second one is passwordless authentication. That means with SSH keys of any user ID. See, in our first way, that is with password authentication, you may use your user ID and password to work with your manage nodes, or with some service ID and password. See, whenever if your project is decided to work with Ansible, then they will create some service ID across all the servers like ansadmin, docker admin, cloud admin, db admin, something like that. So using that service ID and password, you can work with your manage nodes. See, sometimes, anyway, this is again based on project. They will use different service IDs and passwords based on environment, or same service ID name but different passwords based on environment. See, here I will go with separate video on each and every concept so that you can go with that particular video based on your real-time project setup. Okay, thank you.